Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So this is basically part 2 video on time to leave discussion on Amazon DynamoDB. So already in my previous video, I discussed this particular architecture where for this particular DynamoDB we inserted some rows for which we enable TTL. Okay, there is a TTL attribute where we mentioned that after this much specific Unix timestamp, the data should be automatically deleted, right? And those deletion whenever automatically happens, we were capturing in a Kinesis data stream. Using DynamoDB stream, we are capturing that Kinesis data stream we connected with Firehose, which is transforming the data in Lambda. Basically, it is adding new line character in between each records, and then it is dumping the JSON data in S3. Okay, that way always hot data will be maintained in our DynamoDB table and cold data will be sitting in our S3. Okay. So in our previous video, we built this particular architecture and we saw that TTL was over, but DynamoDB don't delete those records in real time, but rather it might take up to 48 hours to automatically delete those, right? So let's see whether it is deleted now or not. So if I go to my table TTL data, and here if I go to my records in items, here we will see that the query did not return any result because for all the rows the TTL is over. So automatically what should happen, that actually from our Google Colab we inserted total 44 rows. Okay, roll number 0 to 43. So those 44 rows, now it should be reflected in our Kinesis data stream. Once Kinesis data stream got that, it should pass that to Kinesis Firehose, right? So let's see whether Kinesis data stream got that many rows or not. So I will go to data stream, and this is our data stream. In the monitoring section, if I go, here I can check incoming data, that is how much data total came, and then here I can view the metrics in CloudWatch. Okay, so here I can make that 1 hour, and here maybe I can 30-second interval I want to see. Here see we are seeing one data point. If I put my mouse pointer on top of that, here you can clearly see incoming records 44. That means once DynamoDB automatically deleted those rows, it came to Kinesis data stream. From there, it went to our Firehose, whatever we created. Okay. So here in Firehose, we used basically our Lambda function for transformation. In the configuration also, you can see that this is the Lambda function. Even I can click on this particular Lambda function. And here you can see in the monitor section, if I go, and if I check the logs in CloudWatch, here you will see in the log stream, here rows are there. That is whatever rows DynamoDB sent, basically this Lambda added new line character. So here if I go below, here you can see processed 44 records. Okay. So Lambda got all the 44 records, and once the buffer time or the specific volume is over from Firehose, Firehose dumped the data in our S3. Okay. So our S3 bucket was this one. Inside that year, inside that month, inside that date, inside that hours, and here is the JSON file. Okay, I can download this particular JSON data and show you that this is containing the DynamoDB rows only what we inserted. You can open this one. So here you can see that from DynamoDB the data came in S3. Okay, see all this if you observe carefully. Here table name is TTL data and event name is remove, because from DynamoDB once TTL is over, it is automatically removed, right? So that's why event name is remove, right? And here all the 44 rows we are getting. I can show you that how much time the remove words came. So if I just do remove and count, if I do, see count 44 match in the entire file. So that means 44 removed records here in our S3 available. Okay, and that's how this particular architecture is working. I hope the TTL concept is clear to you. Please watch my previous video first, because there I explained the complete setup, what is the fundamental intuition of TTL. The link I'll be providing in the description box so that you can go through that easily. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.